All right, welcome back. Today we're talking about YouTube and about affiliate marketing, different ways that you can monetize a YouTube channel, so stay tuned.
All right, hey, I'm here with Nate Woodbury. We're going to talk about YouTube marketing, which should be no surprise to anyone who knows Nate or has seen any of his stuff, because that's pretty much what you do, baby. I mean, that's your lifeblood, right?
Yep. Now I call myself a YouTube producer. I don't know if that existed before, but
well, that's a very high and mighty sounding title, but probably fairly accurate, because a producer is supposed to kind of from, soup to nuts. Have you heard that expression before?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I just want to make sure. They're supposed to kind of know everything about everything, especially when it comes to a certain project or some initiative. So the idea here in this particular interview is to talk a little bit about YouTube marketing as it relates to, well, specifically affiliate marketing. And for the benefit of those, and by that, of course, I mean me, who don't know what that necessarily means, can you tell us what affiliate marketing is?
Yeah, so you become an affiliate of somebody else's product or somebody else's service. So Amazon is a great example where you have a video and you could feature one of their products in your video or something and put a link down to it below. And because you're an affiliate with Amazon, they click a link, they go to the Amazon page, they buy that product, you then get a commission from that. So you could become an affiliate for anybody, basically.
I see. Okay. Now, would a person have to have sort of a minimum threshold of visits to their site in order for them to even be considered an affiliate with someone like that?
It depends. The answer is yes for some. Like with Amazon, you can join, and I think you have to apply, but it doesn't take a whole lot to become an affiliate. But once you have a higher volume, they'll pay you a higher percentage. So you'll get a
Now, do they discover you? Do they come to you? This is a deliberate choice that I would have. I would say, I cover a topic in my videos that I think would be really relevant to people who do gardening, home gardening, whatever. So I'm going to reach out to Amazon or whoever it is and say, can we enter an affiliate marketing relationship? Is that how that works? Or do they go, ooh,
it's both.
We know you?
It's both. Usually it's in the beginning, especially it's you approaching them and they'll usually have a link on their website of how to apply to be an affiliate.
Oh.
But a lot of times when you get bigger, they'll approach you too saying, hey, this will be a good fit.
And so the arrangement is if I want to make money, then the money is based on products that are sold by clicking through my site to their product.
Yep.
Right.
And then all that's automatically tracked, so you know how many clicks and how many purchases.
Gotcha. Now, you mentioned that you don't need to be big to start affiliate marketing. I think that was kind of inherent in what you just said there. Anybody could really kind of start anything, and if it has a certain connection to an affiliate's product. But
right.
Tell me a little bit more about that, where you don't need to really be big to get going.
Well, it's a good place to start, but when you have a small following, you have small views, expect the earnings to be pretty small as well. But when you have something really niche, like I do a lot of outsourcing to the Philippines, and I've made a few videos just talking about, how do you find people in the Philippines, or how do you train them, or, just answering questions. And I've put an affiliate link over to a resource where it's the website that I use to find people in the Philippines, and so I've referred people there. And it's been one of the easiest affiliate commissions I've made, because I just make a video answering questions about it or explaining my experience. People go there, they sign up, and then I get a monthly check.
Really?
Every single month. So
is it just? what are we talking about? Just loose change here? It's like a token commission.
I still get a few $100s each month from it.
Well, that doesn't. That's a tank of gas right there. Who's going to complain? There's money to be made, is what you're saying, in ways that maybe people aren't even aware of. Mm-hmm. Because someone like me, I might think, well, in order for me to make money on YouTube, I've got to get to a point where I have a bajillion viewers, and even then, that only translates into $1,000 a month or whatever. Mm-hmm. Clearly, that's not necessarily the case.
Yeah, because you're talking about AdSense advertising,
and that's the YouTube, the way of monetizing on YouTube, right? It's called AdSense.
Yeah, just when you see ads or commercials before YouTube videos, creators are getting paid through that AdSense program. And you're right, you have to have millions of views before it results in thousands of dollars. So as a small business owner, you can become an affiliate, and one person makes a purchase and you get a commission right there.
And are there people who have multiple affiliates then, or is it an exclusive thing where some,
Every video could have you could talk about something different, refer to something else. So I mean, I've got another example. There's a shopping cart or autoresponder system that I've used for a long time, and it's called One Shopping Cart, and they have an affiliate program. But I liked it so much, and I noticed that they had a different program. I forget what they called it, but I contacted them and said, hey, can I white label this? And I created my own version.
What do you mean white label? What is that?
I created my own brand called ProCart.
Okay.
I have a website, procart.org. And so instead of sending people to the One Shopping Cart website link, I would send them to ProCart, which then linked into their system. And I haven't made a video about ProCart for several years, and I still get hundreds of dollars a month affiliate commissions from referring people to it.
So is it more common than the average Joe like myself would even be aware of that companies do affiliate marketing?
Yeah.
I mean, because what I'm hearing is that if I were to do a really great vlog on hiking, it's not a real reach. I could have gone with something like moth wing polishing, whatever. I don't think that's an actual industry.
That would be a weird video.
That's a real niche. It's very delicate. But if I did a really great vlog on hiking or something like that, I mean, I might want to go and look at Timberland or just somebody. I would just go to like their website and see, is there anything on here about how to have an affiliate relationship?
So there's two ways that you could do that. One, you could do an affiliate link, and you've got to be genuine to your audience. If people are watching because they like to watch your hiking videos, and then they say, well, hey, and buy these shoes.
So you don't want to be a sellout.
Yeah.
Completely.
Yeah, right. So only represent products that
Makes
you
sense.
like.
Yeah.
And there are rules and guidelines as far as if you're promoting something and you're going to benefit from it, you've got to state, hey, this, I am getting compensated here. This is an affiliate link where they will pay me, but I really like this shoe, and so I am recommending it. Take that for what it's worth. So that's one way of doing it, just as an affiliate. But you can also do a sponsored video where you approach Timberland and say, hey, I'm going to make a hiking video. I want to feature your shoe and talk about it and get lots of different angles of shots of me climbing up rocks. Do you want to pay me to do that?
And that wouldn't shock them. I mean,
it's pretty common. Budgets of $25,000 to $100,000 when you've got a channel that gets millions of views. That's very common.
So there's kind of different levels of potential income from affiliate marketing based on your
affiliate's kind of the starting spot where you can start. You don't have to have any following. You can just start sending traffic and get that tracked, and then when you get a bigger following, then you start calling that sponsorships, where they'll actually pay you proactively even before sales are made.
That's when you start wearing their hats and their jerseys.
This is me.
That's your own. Be the hero. So I've heard tell that you've espoused the concept that a small, tight-knit community is better than a massive, loose community. Explain what that means, because again, sort of my initial take is volume, millions of people, ching, 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 more money.
Yeah,
Why would smaller, more loyal?
So check this out. So I have a friend who's got a channel that's got 9 million subscribers.
Okay.
It's a real fun channel. Videos are really entertaining, really fun to watch.
Now, by the way, let me just real quick keep that thought on hold. When you talk about 9 million subscribers, does that mean that those people are receiving some sort of notification that there's a new video ready for them to watch, or do they have to opt in as subscribers? Meaning,
yes,
I got to
no.
keep my eye on the. I mean, what does a subscriber mean, really?
So when you're a subscriber on YouTube, if you go to your YouTube home page or home screen,
your own screen,
then YouTube will show you videos of channels that you're subscribed to or that you've seen recently.
Okay, that's true.
It wants to guess which ones do you want to watch. So if you subscribe to a channel but you haven't really watched any of those videos for a while, it'll kind of stop showing that to you. But there's also an alert. You can click the bell. There's a little bell.
I've seen the bell with the number.
And if you click the bell, then every time a video is uploaded to that channel, you'll actually get an email from YouTube to notify you. Here's a new video. So there's kind of two different ways that you can subscribe.
So the actual subscription itself doesn't mean that you're going to receive, outside of the YouTube realm, any kind of notification that it's time to watch another Nate Woodbury video.
Correct.
Okay.
It's kind of a stepping stone to get there.
Okay.
So subscribers are good.
So the term subscription, that's what I'm trying to build your case. And I don't even know what I'm talking about, is that the subscription base doesn't necessarily mean 9 million loyal and alerted people who know there's a new Nate video today, right?
Right.
Okay.
But he does on that specific channel. They're very entertaining, and he does have a lot of people that return each day to watch.
Okay.
I'm one of them with my son. We like watching those videos. But that channel is mainly monetized through sponsorships and advertising, like we've been talking about. But when we're talking about a small, tight-knit community, there's another channel, and this is one that I've had a part in creating. Mm-hmm. Where we've got over 70,000 subscribers now. So compared to 9 million, this is
nothing.
It's like a puny channel.
Right.
But yet we're generating really big revenue, just like this other one, because we're not using an affiliate link. We're actually linking to our own website and selling our own courses. Mm-hmm. And so we're generating multiple five figures weekly on that channel.
So you're basically seeing those 70,000 subscribers as your own client base. They're potential customers directly for your products.
Right. So the videos themselves are not as entertaining. We don't have people coming back every day to be entertained.
Right.
But the star of the show has been positioned as a hero, to be the hero, right? He's the expert in his niche, and he has products that he sells and programs that he offers relating to that niche. So although it's a small, tight-knit community, they see him as an expert. He is the expert of that community, so it's really valuable.
Now, obviously, if there were 9 million who are watching him, so it's not bad to have 9 million viewers. What you're saying is that even if you only have 70,000, you can still do very well.
Yeah,
because
you can
those
still
potentially are buyers of
but it's foreign to a lot of YouTubers to think that you can have a 7-figure income with only 70,000 subscribers.
Interesting. So there's a lot more work going on behind the scenes than just creating the YouTube video, especially in this case. He's got to come up with course material. He's got to shoot other things. Well, you do. You do this. This is part of what you do, yeah? Yeah, that's nice. So
the other thing to point out is there's many more ways to monetize than just the YouTube advertising.
Right.
So we can start with affiliate links, affiliate marketing, there's sponsorships, there's creating your own products. You can create a whole business behind it, not just making videos and hoping it makes you money.
I love that because really when you think about it, all the work that goes in to making good videos enough that even 1 million people will watch, if that only translates into $2,000 a month or whatever, and you figure that and you go, God, all the hours I put in making that video, writing it, editing it, all the equipment, all the gear, all the lights, all the sound, I had to do all of that, and I got $2,000 because I got 1 million people to watch it. Mm-hmm. You'd think 1 million people would translate into way more than that, and it doesn't. And what you're saying is wow, you're really limiting yourself if you're just focused on AdSense. There's so much more revenue out there, even for much, much smaller viewership.
Yep.
I love that. Well, next time we'll find out how much money Nate actually has. Thanks for joining us.
Was this video helpful? Did you enjoy the style of the video? Let us know, because we're trying something new here.
Yeah.
Also, if you have any questions on specific topics, comment about it, because then it'll give us ideas of things that we can film videos about. What should they do if they liked this specific episode?
Click the thing that says like.
Yeah, like it.
And if you have a comment and stuff that he just said, do that.
And they subscribe. We want subscribers.
Oh, you want to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, how will we know if we should keep doing these?
And then what you should really do is copy the link to the video and email it out to everyone that you know.
Everyone you know, your whole email list.
Share it in Facebook. Go into the messages and just message this video to everybody. So
go crazy, because who doesn't want to make money on YouTube? I mean, it's so easy. Look how easy it is.
Thanks, guys.